Okay everyone, welcome to Dr. Shorov sir's classes. So today we are going to solve this question, and this question is basically from the Chinese Gaokao examination. So first read the question. Question says let theta be an acute angle such that the equation x square plus 4 into x cos theta plus cot theta equal to 0 involving variable x has multiple roots. Then the measure of theta in radians is what? Option number A says pi by 6. Option number B says pi by 12 or 5 pi by 12. Option number C says pi by 6 or 5 pi by 12. And option number D says pi by 12. Okay, so we will solve this question and we will learn all the concepts behind this question. Okay. Now, to find the measure of theta in radians for the equation x square plus 4x cos theta plus cot theta equal to 0 to have multiple roots, we need to analyze the discriminant of the quadratic first. Okay, so first set the discriminant to 0. Now for a quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 to have multiple roots, the discriminant must be equal to 0. Okay, so discriminant is what? D is b square minus 4ac. So set b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So in this equation, a is what? 1, b is what? 4 cos theta, and c is cot theta. Now substituting this into the formula. So 4 cos theta whole square minus 4 into 1 into cot theta, that will be equal to 0. So we can say that 16 cos square theta minus 4 cot theta is 0. Now divide the entire equation by 4. So we get 4 cos square theta minus cot theta equal to 0. So 4 cos square theta will be equal to cos theta by sin theta. Right? Now since theta is an acute angle, right, that means 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, we know that cos theta not equals to 0, right? And we can safely divide both sides by cos theta. So 4 cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So we can say 4 cos theta sin theta is 1. Now solve for theta. Using the double angle identity, we know that sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, right? And we can rewrite the equation like 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. So 2 sin 2 theta is 1, or sin 2 theta is what? 1 by 2. Okay, and given that 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, the range for 2 theta is 0 less than 2 theta less than pi. So in this interval, the sine function equals 1 by 2 at 2 points. And first one is what? First one is 2 theta, that is pi by 6, or theta will be equal to pi by 12. And second, this is the first one. The second one is 2 theta is 5 pi by 6. So theta will be 5 pi by 12. So the possible values for theta are what? Pi by 12 and or 5 pi by 12. Okay, so the correct option is what? Option number B, that is pi by 12 or 5 pi by 12. So we just solved this question beautifully. I hope all the concept, all the logic is clear to you. If you still have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'll get back to you as soon as possible I can. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Chinese Gaokao examination, and that will be very interesting. So don't miss that out. Okay, so see you. Bye bye.